This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the case and AirPods. Wipe the interior with a microfiber cloth so nothing blocks the fit. Make sure the charging contacts are clear. Next, check battery level. If under 20%, charge for 5 to 10 minutes so the magnets engage properly. Then align each bud with its corresponding socket by matching stem orientation. Place them in gently. Once seated, close the lid slowly so the magnets pull them flush. This prevents shifting and ensures a secure hold. Once the AirPods are in the case, add stabilizers if needed. You can use a thin silicone sleeve or a small foam insert to reduce internal play. These fill gaps and increase friction so the pods don't rattle. Next, think about how you carry the case. Keep it in a flat pocket or a dedicated compartment, and avoid stuffing it with keys or loose change. Then test the closure. Give the case a gentle shake. If you hear movement, reposition or add a pad until the buds stay put. To finish, verify the lid closes smoothly and the magnets align. Misalignment can let AirPods shift out of place. Make sure contact points are clean. If charging seems intermittent, clean with 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab and dry thoroughly. If the pods still move or won't sit flush, try replacing the case or adding custom pads. Troubleshooting tip. If you hear a rattle, isolate whether it's the pod or the case by closing the case empty. Then with one pod, this tells you what to repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.